Hello!
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. We're going to try some fidget spinners.
We've heard about it.
We're going to sell this tomorrow in
Kalayaan.
Kalayaan Fiesta Foundation. Kijkers, check us on booth 66. We sell this dude.
Are we children? Yes, we are.
I think it's basically a fad, but they said here that it's going to treat against ADHD. But of course, we don't believe in that. It says here on the back,
Cannot be treated.
Kijken, it says here that help stoppen met roken ADHD verlichten de compressie en angst. So, I have heard from psychologists that of course this does not do anything for ADHD, but it's just look to heaven.
You don't need to take Ritalin anymore. If you have a spinner.
Yeah, so this one is the one. This is from Joy. Hello, Joy. Ta-da!
This is the one we bought for ourselves. It's like the rings of Saturn.
Ta-da! The one with the lift is my favorite. And this one is gold, and it is actually like a design. Then this one is this one's with holes is only for kids probably greater than 6 because it's gevaarlijk or dangerous. Dangerous for kids because they might place their fingers here and get stuck. So watch out when you buy. So, but if they're older, it's ta-da! Now you can too. Kijken.
Oh, dat ziet er niet uit. Ja, hoor.
I saw that you can stuck it. We have tested
3.5 minutes.
yeah, this one is 3.5 minutes. This ook goed. The heavier it is, actually het duurt langer.
So the pink one, the rose one is goed.
Deze is echt goed hoor.
So yeah.
See? Only this one.
Gonna change this one. Oh, it's an andere effect. A different effect. And this one. Ta-da!
Oh ja.
This is Joyce. Joy van Kalk
Van,
spinner.
let's see if this is more stable.
Hey. Okay.
Like this.
Oh, this two. Sorry, and then
Oh,
one
yeah.
more.
Okay.
It's a very bright one. This one is better, Joyce. Look, it's much more, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's others.
It's lighter, it's yeah, more flexible. Dit is een beetje pangit.
Nee, it's like this one.
This is weird.
How do you
Whoa. This is not so stable. Die is niet zo stabiel.
Welke vind je mooier?
ADHD.
Nee joh.
Hey, our food is in. Met pasta. Wow, concentrated.
Ja. Mooi hè?
Even lachen.
So long.
Ja hoor.
Thank you for watching!
Subscribe to our channel.
And this is my favorite. Dag! Tot volgende keer!